Hi, Sandy here. I know you are busy stacking the kitchen and the cabinets. I know you are concerned about the virus. We all are, all over the world. My community of people, expats, and people who live in different parts of the world, U.S. citizens, we are deeply concerned. The thought of whether or not we fly home, whether or not we stay where we are, what if they close the borders? All of these thoughts are in all of our minds. We are going through a stressful time. But I'm here just for a quick moment to remind you that if you ever wanted to invest into the stock market and you always found it way too expensive to get a bang for your buck, you may want to take a moment and take a look at what's happening. If you are trying to or want to get into the stock market, now may be a good time to take a look at that. I am not a financial advisor. I am sorry I cannot give you more information on that. But I want you to know that I am watching Iraq. Things are happening in Iraq. I'm not sure, no one else is really, what is going on, but I will keep you updated on that. I also will keep you updated on any new tax laws or tax benefits that come about because of the coronavirus. I just want to say to the entire group, stay safe, stay strong, believe in yourself, and believe in that which is greater than yourself. We can come through this. I know that we will. And I will put up a scheduled video on Thursday and Sunday. In the meantime, if any news comes up, I will let you know.